In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add text to your Sway. You will go to the plus sign on the last box that was used on your Sway to insert content. The content we're choosing to insert right now is text. So you can make a heading size text, or you can insert a text card. We are going to use a text card. So you click on this and then you type. Each year my family created some pretty cool holiday cards. The kids brainstorm together and pitch some ideas to my husband and I for consideration. They were pretty awesome ideas. Okay, so I'm done with my text. You can highlight, you can emphasize, you can accent. I don't think in this particular case we need bullet notes or numbers. You can add a link in there if you'd like. And now you have your text card. Let's go ahead and preview that and see what it looks like. And there's the title slide, background, and there's your first text card. Thank you.